Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
Let's start learning. This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today for you friends. This is the exercise number 21. This is a very nice part for beginners exercise. We will use only 2 sketch and 2 extrude commands for completing this part. We will learn the use of various sketch tools, like line, circle, trim entities, offset entities, smart dimension, boss extrude, etc. We will use SolidWorks 2018 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their daily practice. Hope you will enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Now, I will make these 3 circular portions. Take center line command and draw lines like this. Height is 173.2 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension. Press OK.
Control select midpoint of the vertical line, and the horizontal line and choose coincident relation. Width is 150 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension. Press OK. Now take Circle command.
Select these circles and make them equal. Select these circles and make them equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 80 millimeters. Diameter is 50 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Choose midplane. Use depth 20 mm. Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Now we will make this portion. Left click on front plane and choose sketch. Press Ctrl+8. Take center line command and draw lines like this. Now take offset entities command. Width is 20 mm. Make sure bidirectional is checked.
Press OK.
Convert these circles.
Press OK.
Hide these objects.
Now take Trim Entities command. Now trim these lines. Press OK.
Depth is 10 mm. Choose midplane.
Press OK.
Make them visible again. Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Let's do motion study. Make this speed 3x. Select Animation Wizard, select Y-axis of rotation and click Next. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Now select Play from Start.
Congratulations! This is the part which we are trying to build.
We will learn the use of various sketch tools, like line, circle, trim entities, offset entities, smart dimension, boss extrude, etc. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their daily practice. Hope you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon.